Hello, I'm Max from Collier Pickard, and today we are going to go through how to run a interactions report on Maximizer. To run any form of report, we first need to click Report and then Consolidate Interactions Report. This will then bring a pop-up which allows you to run through the date, the users that you needed to select, and the interactions that you need to run. For today, we will run the interactions for the last 7 days. I will select the specific user that I'm needing to look into. And the interactions today we will look into is phone calls. As shown, you can run these reports for appointments, chats, email, phone calls, SMS, or tasks. Once selected your desired interaction, you can then click Run, which will show the desired businesses, the duration of the call, and the subject of what those interactions were about. If you wanted to see further details, you can break it down in terms of incoming and outgoing phone calls and each business that it runs through. If you're needing to see multiple calls for a specific business, you can move name to the top column and it will show the various calls you have had. For instance, Beach Cycle and Sport, we have had 2 calls durating 44 seconds total. If I click the arrow, it will show both phone calls, which user has made the call, and the reasoning for these calls as well. If you are needing to run this report through a Excel spreadsheet, we have the top 3 lines in the right, which allow you to export to Excel or export to a PDF. Thank you very much for viewing this video today. If you have any other queries regarding Maximizer CRM or CRM in general, feel free to check out our website. The link to the website will be in the description below. Have a great day.